Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can open widgets in Oppo. So in order to access the widgets menu on the Oppo smartphone, you will need to get to your home screen first, then either make the following shrink and swipe, or touch and hold at any vacant space you have, like that. And once the additional home screen menu appears, you will need to tap at the widgets right at the bottom. And here you have the full and exhaustive list of widgets that are available on your Oppo smartphone. If you would like to add one, just tap on it. Or actually, that wasn't the best example, since I was logged out of my Google account, so I'll go with this one instead. And just personalize it and move it around if you want to. And well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.